Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are safe and fine in your home. Today we are going to discuss factors and multiples. Do you know what is factor? A factor of a number divides that number without leaving any remainder. What is a factor? A factor of a number divides that number without leaving any remainder. We can go to an example. Look at here, there are 20 flowers. Can you make the group of flowers without leaving any remainder? Let us check. Here look, in one group, 2 flowers. How many groups we can make using these 20 flowers? Yes, we can make 10 groups of 2 flowers. Is there any flower left here? No, there is no flower left. So we can make 10 groups of 2 flowers. Second one, look. Here, each group 10 flowers are. How many groups are there? Yes, 2 groups are there. That means 2 groups of 10 flowers. There is also no flower left. So we can say 2 and 10 are the factors of 20. We can say 2 and 10 are the factors of 20. Next, look here. We can make the group of 4 flowers. How many groups we will get? Yes, we will get 5 groups. That is 5 groups of 4 flowers. There is no flower left over. So, second one, look. In each group, 5 flowers. How many groups we can make? Yes, we can make 4 groups of 5 flowers. So here we can say 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. Then which are the factors of 20? 2 and 10 we already get. Then here 4 and 5 also. So factors of 20 are 2, 10, 4 and 5. Next, look here. Here in each group how many flowers? Yes, there are 3 flowers. How many groups we can make? 6 groups we can make, but 2 flowers are left there. So we can say 3 is not a factor of 20. Next, look here. Now we can make the one group with 20 flowers. This is the group of 20 flowers. So we can say the factors of 20 are 2, 10, 4, 5, here 1 and 20 also. The factors of 20 are 2, 10, 4, 5 and 1 and 20. Then in this factor, look, factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Look, we can say 1 is the factor of every number. If you take any number, 1 will be the factor of that number. Then look here, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. If you take any number, that number have at least 2 factors. That 1 is the factor of all numbers and that number itself is the factor of that number. 1 and that number itself is the factor of any number. Here look, here chairs are arranged in a row. That is first one row with 24 chairs. Second one, 2 row with 12 chairs. Next, 3 row with 8 chairs and 4 row with 6 chairs. So we can say the factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8 and 4 and 6. These are the factors of 24. 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6 are the numbers that gives 24 exactly after multiplication. These numbers are called factors of 24. A factor of a number divides the number exactly. Look here, we want to remember these things. First one, every number has one as a factor. Second one, every number is a factor of itself. Third one, every number except one has at least two factors, one and the number itself. The factor of a number is always equal to or less than the number. These are the properties of factors. Next, look here, we can see one example. Factors of 24. Look here, 1 into 24, we will get 24. 2 into 12, 24. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 6, 24. So, we can say 1 and 24 are the factors of 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24, no? So, we can say 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. 3 into 8 also 24. So, we can say 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. 4 and 6 also factors of 24. So, which are the factors of 24? 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6. These are the factors of 24. Another example of factors of 8. We can write 8. 1 into 8, 8. 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 1, 8. So, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. The same way factors of 12. 12 we can write 1 into 12, 12. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 4, 12. Same way we can write 4 into 3 also 12. 6 into 2 also 12. 12 into 1 also 12. So, we can say factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 6 and 12. Multiples. We can discuss multiples. Here look. Multiples of 5. In each group how many flowers? 5 flowers. So we can 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5, 10. 3 groups of 5, 15. 4 groups of 5, 20. 5 groups of 5, 25. So we can say multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, 25. What will come next? Yes, 30 will come. That etc. are the multiples of 5. Look here, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. A number is a multiple of itself. Here 5, multiples of 5, 5 itself. Another property, every number has endless multiples. This will extend n. So, we can write endless multiples of every number. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. What is a multiple of a number? Example, look here, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, we can say factors of 12 are 3 and 4. Then same way we can 12 is a multiple of 3 and 12 is also multiple of 4. That a multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Look here, which are the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, etc. are the multiples of 6. Which are the multiples of 3? 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. These are the multiples of 3. Then relation between factors and multiples. We know 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Then we can say both 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. And 15 is the multiple of both 3 and 5. Next, look at here. 8 into 7 is equal to 54. So, we can say both 8 and 7 are the factors of 56. Then, so 56 is the multiple of both 8 and 7. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. Both 6 and 7 are the factors of 42. So we can say 42 is the multiple of both the 6 and 7.